Assalamualaikum everyone and good afternoon my dear audience and my dear friends. How are you all? I hope you're all great by the grace of MashaAllah, and this is me Fatima Musula from the famous English language in Bangladesh, and my batch rank is 160, and today I came up with two amazing teams. And in my left side there is the blue team. Round of applause for them. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nafisoma. I'm from PD 174 and this is my teammate.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Ms. Sohaila Hassan. I am from batch PET 160. And hello, everyone. I'm Mobtena Azad from PET 174.
And on my right side there is the red team. Round of applause for them too. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm Rajiv Hassan from the famous English Language Center Bangladesh of the batch PD174, and he is my
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Niyat Islam. Today I will talk about a question answer MCQ, and he's my partner.
Hello everyone, I am Shoaib Islam from the batch PT124. Today I will talk about a question answer, so let's start it.
So today I'm going to ask them some MCQs and some questions on the story of Othello. So let's begin and see which team wins. The first question for the blue team. Your question is, why had Roderigo cooperated with Iago? Option number A. He had sought financial gain. Option number B. He had desired Desdemona's affection.
The answer number will be B.
Well answer. Your team gained 5 points. Then the first question for the red team. What had Desdemona requested to Othello regarding Cassio? Option number A. She had regarded his permanent dismissal. Option number B. She had pleaded for his resentment.
I will choose option A.
Sorry, that answer is incorrect. There is no marks adding in your group. The next question for the blue team. How had Othello interrupted Desdemona's advocacy for Cassio? Option number A. He had viewed it as compassion. Option number B. He had perceived it as evidence of infidelity.
I may option number A.
Sorry, your answer is not correct. You didn't gain any marks for your group. There's another question for you. What had the handkerchief symbolized? Option number A, a token of political alliance. Option number B, a representation of Othello's love.
I choose B.
The right answer. Your team has earned 5 more points. The last question for the blue team. How had Iago manipulated the handkerchief? Option number A. He had destroyed it to erase evidence. Option number B. He had planted it to fabricate proof.
I choose option number B.
Correct. You've secured another 5 points. And the last question for the red team. What had been Iago's ultimate shade? Option number A. He had intended to overthrow Othello's politically. Option number B. He had intended to destroy Othello's emotionally.
Option B.
Absolutely correct. You have secured 5 more points. And today we have seen the winners, and we have also understand who is the winner, and the winner is the red team. Round of applause for them. So this is all for today. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.